Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Sites you need to know. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of ethical hacking. If you want to sharpen your skills and become a pro ethical hacker, you're in the right place. Buckle up, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge. Get ready for 25 underrated websites to help you become a cybersecurity ninja. First up, we have Hack the Box. This website is a digital playground for ethical hackers. A massive collection of challenges and labs test your penetration testing skills to the limit. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Hack the Box has something for everyone. Dive into real-world scenarios, exploit vulnerabilities, and learn to think like a hacker, all safely and legally. It's the ultimate way to sharpen your skills and build your cybersecurity street cred. Next, we have TryHackMe, your go-to platform for interactive learning. This isn't just about reading dry theory. TryHackMe throws you right into the action with hands-on labs and challenges. They have awesome learning paths that take you step-by-step through different cybersecurity concepts, from basic networking to advanced penetration testing. Now, let's talk about VulnHub, the place to hone your skills offline. Downloadable virtual machines packed with vulnerabilities, just begging for you to exploit them. It's like having your own personal hacking lab, where you can experiment, break things, and learn without real-world consequences. Chapter 4. OverTheWire. Conquer the war games. Ready to test your skills? Then OverTheWire is where it's at. This site is all about war games, challenges that push your hacking abilities to the limit. Think of it like leveling up in your favorite RPG, but instead of slaying dragons, you're taking down firewalls and cracking passwords. PentesterLab. Real-world scenarios, real skills. Theory is important, but hands-on experience is crucial. This site offers guided exercises and real-world scenarios simulating penetration testing. PentesterLab is about understanding the entire penetration testing process, from reconnaissance to reporting. RootMe. Challenges for every skill level. No matter where you are on your ethical hacking journey, RootMe has a challenge for you. This platform offers a range of challenges and capture-the-flag competitions for all skill levels. The beauty of RootMe is its progressive learning approach. You can start with basic challenges and work your way up to more advanced scenarios as you gain experience. Hack This Site is more than just a website. It's a thriving community of ethical hackers. This platform offers realistic missions and a supportive community to help you level up your skills. You'll tackle challenges that simulate real-world hacking scenarios while interacting with like-minded individuals. If you're serious about ethical hacking, you need to know about CTF, or Capture the Flag, competitions. And CTFtime is your ultimate guide to this exciting world. This site tracks CTF events globally, giving you a heads-up on competitions, deadlines, and all the essential details to participate. Knowledge is power, and in ethical hacking, the exploit database is your ultimate weapon. This website is a treasure trove of information, packed with an extensive archive of exploits and vulnerabilities. Whether you're researching a specific vulnerability or just looking to stay informed about the latest threats, the exploit database is an invaluable resource for any ethical hacker. Sometimes, you just need to see it to believe. And that's where SecurityTube comes in. This website is a goldmine of video tutorials and courses covering a vast range of security topics, from basic ethical hacking concepts to advanced penetration testing techniques. SecurityTube has you covered. They have industry experts and experienced hackers breaking down complex topics into easy-to-understand videos. Hacking Lab is where theory meets practice head-on. This platform offers a unique blend of online labs and capture-the-flag competitions to push your skills to the limit. Real-world scenarios, industry-standard tools, and the chance to test your skills against ethical hackers from around the globe. Stay ahead of the curve with Hackaday, your daily source for all things hacking and security. This website is a treasure trove of information, packed with updates on hardware hacking, security news, and cutting-edge tech. Whether you're building your own gadgets, exploring the latest vulnerabilities, or staying informed about cybersecurity, Hackaday has something for you. Ever dreamed of getting paid to hack? Bug bounty hunting might be your calling. Bugcrowd University is the perfect place to start your journey. This platform offers free courses on bug bounty hunting, teaching you to find vulnerabilities and earn rewards. From the basics of web security to advanced techniques for identifying critical flaws, Bugcrowd University provides a comprehensive curriculum to turn you into a bug bounty pro. Hacker 101 is your one-stop shop for all things ethical hacking and cybersecurity. This platform offers a blend of high-quality video lessons and capture-the-flag challenges designed to elevate your skills to the next level. Their video lessons are clear, concise, and taught by industry professionals who truly know their stuff. For those who believe in the power of open source, OpenSecurityTraining is a dream come true. This website is a treasure trove of free and open-source security training materials. We're talking about courses, labs, and resources covering a wide range of cybersecurity topics, all available completely free of charge to everyone. When it comes to cybersecurity training, SANS Institute is a name that carries weight. Their Cyber Aces program is the perfect starting point for building a solid foundation. Their courses give you the knowledge and hands-on experience to hit the ground running in cybersecurity. Cybrary is like the Netflix of cybersecurity training. This platform offers a vast library of courses, from IT basics to advanced penetration testing. They offer both free and paid courses, fitting your budget and learning goals. Offensive security is not for the faint of heart. This company is known for its challenging certifications and training programs, pushing ethical hackers to their limits. Their flagship certification, the Offensive Security Certified Professional, or OSCP, is highly respected and a testament to your skills as a penetration tester. Infosec Institute is another heavy hitter in the world of cybersecurity training. They offer a wide range of courses and certifications, all designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge to succeed in this rapidly evolving field. Their courses are packed with practical exercises, labs, and simulations, giving you the chance to apply your knowledge and develop real-world skills. Dive into the world of hacking with Null, a website exploring the fringes of cybersecurity. This platform offers tutorials, articles, and forums on hacking, from ethical hacking to advanced concepts. Null is your go-to for the latest hacking techniques, tools, and exploits. The Metasploit framework is a powerful tool in any ethical hacker's arsenal. The SecurityTube Metasploit Framework Expert, SMFE, course helps you master this versatile tool. This comprehensive program covers everything about Metasploit, from basics to advanced exploitation techniques. Hackaday.io is more than just a website. It's a vibrant community of hackers, makers, and tech enthusiasts from around the globe. This platform is all about collaboration, creativity, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. Whether you're a seasoned hacker or just starting out, Hackaday.io is a place to connect with like-minded individuals, share your projects, and get inspired. The Ethical Hacker Network is exactly what it sounds like, a comprehensive resource hub for ethical hackers of all levels. This website offers a wealth of information, including articles, forums, and resources to help you expand your knowledge and hone your skills. PacketStorm Security is a goldmine of information for security professionals and ethical hackers. This website provides a vast collection of security tools, advisories, and exploits, all designed to help you stay ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity. With so many security tools available today, it can be tough to know which ones are worth your time and effort. That's where sectools.org comes in handy. This website provides a curated list of top security tools, handpicked by experienced security professionals. And there you have it, 25 underrated websites that are absolutely killing it in the ethical hacking space. From hands-on labs to CTF challenges, these resources will give you the knowledge and practice to become an absolute unit in the world of cybersecurity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more